I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo and click on Bid Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select GetResponse. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API token, please visit GetResponse API token. Click on Generate Key. Give the name of your key. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select Campaigns from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GetResponse. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to GetResponse. Navigate to the Bid Integrations list. Here is the data that came into GetResponse through the integration. Thanks for watching.